Are you interested in investing in Web3 but don't know where to start? The world of Web3 is complex and ever-evolving, and it's understandable that you may feel a bit overwhelmed. I'll provide a comprehensive beginner's guide on how to invest in Web3 using a foolproof method, and you can start investing like a pro today. Web3 is a next-generation internet architecture developed by a diverse coalition of independent developers, nonprofit organizations, and businesses. There are many benefits that come with investing in Web3, and here are some of the key reasons why people might want to invest in this technology. Firstly, its potential to help decentralize and secure online systems. Secondly, its ability to reduce costs associated with transactions. Finally, its potential to create new economic models. Investing in Web3 can be an attractive proposition for investors due to the potential for high returns and the perceived stability of the Ethereum network. You can invest in Web3 company and stock or buy Web3 tokens. Invest in Web3 funds or NFTs and Metaverse. Or join a DAO. To choose the right Web3 investment, here are some tips for you. Understand the basics of blockchain technology. Be cautious about coins and tokens. Don't overthink it and do your research. Stay disciplined and know when to bail. Finally, it's important to be patient. To read the full article, please visit the page https://malcolmtan.net/.